You might excuse their flaws or negative actions. Hello, Dan. Hello, you might be able to get happy if you have ice cream. Oh, I love ice cream. Well, I just finished having breakfast anyway. How are you, Dan? Where are we from? Okay. About settling, I just said you might excuse their flaws or negative actions, or you're constantly giving and not receiving. It's so unfair having a relationship like that, right? So, what will you do? Well, you have other choices. You can stay or you can leave. Hello, 14 viewers. Welcome to Daytona Beach, Florida. It's 10:33 in the morning here, and it's sunny day. Hi, Kevin Lanier. Hi, how are you? Thank you for coming. Where are you from? I can hear the I can hear the birds chirping outside in our backyard. Hi, Comster. Hi, how are you? Hi, Nani. Dla. Hi, Nani. Thank you for coming. Hi, Kevin Lanier. Thank you for coming. Hello, how are you guys? I hope you're having a good day today or a good night. My charger is in our room. Erwin, did you see this one? Iligpit mo ito. I just told you pagkatapos mong gumising, umayos ka. I do. I do. What do I do? In the morning, what do I do in the morning? Wake up, cook breakfast, clean the house, and then in the afternoon I have to go to work. What about you? What do you do, Nani? And where are we from? Oh, Kamser said it's good. That's nice. As I was saying, settling is not option means that accepting something less than what one desires or deserves is not viable choice. It implies commitment to striving for the best possible outcome in various areas of life. Hi, this is Florida. Nani, you're from South Africa. We're part of South Africa. I wanted to go there someday. ¿Cómo estás? Rakta Dota, hola. Hola, Raktab. How are you? Manuel Blanc, God bless you also. We are here in Florida. I am from Philippines, living in Florida, guys. Hello, lover 143. Like that. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, guys. All right, as I was saying, it implies a commitment to striving for the best possible outcome in various areas of life, whether it will be relationship, career, or personal fulfillment. Settling is it's a dredge. Settling is an options. It's a rejections of compromise and a refusal to settle for second best. Comster, you're back. Lover 143, subscribe and thank you so much. Okay, here's more detailed explanations of settling. Refusal to compromise. Settling is not option means that individuals are unwilling to make compromises in their lives that would lead to unhappiness